Fixed Quicken Error CC-587, Step-by-Step Guide. Introduction. Quicken Error CC-587 occurs when there is a problem connecting to your bank. This guide provides simple steps to resolve the issue. Possible causes of CC-587, temporary bank server issues, outdated Quicken version, incorrect account settings, connection timeout, firewall or antivirus interference. Solution 1. Update Quicken. Open Quicken Go to help greater than check for updates. If an update is available, install it, restart Quicken and try again. Solution 2. Refresh account information. Open Quicken and navigate to accounts. Select the affected account. Click Update Now. Ctrl+Shift+U. Check if the error is resolved. Solution 3. Deactivate and reactivate account. Go to Tools greater than Account list, select the affected account and click Edit. Under Online Services, click Deactivate, Reactivate by adding the account again. Solution 4. Check Firewall and Antivirus settings. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus. Try updating Quicken again. If successful, add Quicken as an exception in your security software. Solution 5. Contact Quicken support. If the error persists, contact Quicken support at website www.quicken.com/support. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Quicken Error CC-587. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Quicken support for further assistance. Thank you.